How to clone apps on Android. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily clone apps on your Android phone without the use of any third-party apps. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. To clone apps, first open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Applications and Permissions. Here you will find the option of App Clone. If you can't find the option of App Clone in your Applications and Permissions section, you can search in your settings for App Clone. Once you're on the App Clone screen, if you want, you can read the App Clone instructions. Here you will see what apps you can clone. There is a limited number of apps you can clone, but if you want to clone other apps than these, you can use third-party apps like these. So if you want to clone any of these apps, just turn on the toggle. Then search for the app you have cloned. I have cloned Facebook, so I will search for Facebook. Here you can see the main app and the cloned app. If you want to delete the clone app, turn off the toggle. The clone app and its data will be deleted. So this is how to clone apps on Android.